Hi, my name is Janice. Welcome to my channel, Janice on channel. Today I'll be showing you how to actually reduce the video file size and camera file size of when you take photos from your phone or tablets and video recording from your phone or tablets. So basically what I want you to do is go to Chrome, okay, your browser, and then we look for this file called bacon camera APK. Okay, and then we download this app under in this apps.apk. Basically, bacon camera APK is like a DSLR camera functions. You can actually set manual functions, focus, white focus, and many more. ISO speed and all this, raw, DNG format, and many more. But today I just want to show you how to reduce the file size with this bacon camera app. This app is not available in Play Store anymore, so I have to actually download it in other places. So yeah, you can actually download this file. Click on the download app APK. It's downloading. Download this website. Yeah, so it's okay. Download and then install. And then we open the file. Okay, we need to answer some questions. Yes, while using the app. Yes, allow. Okay, allow. Tap location. While using the app. Okay, yeah. So that, okay, now we need to look at the settings over here. Okay, settings here. Settings, okay, you see this picture size? You can actually reduce. This is the highest resolution, 8 megapixel. You can choose the lower megapixels, maybe to 1024 by 768. Okay, yeah, it should be good. So it will reduce your file size by a lot tremendously, and if you want lesser, you can just choose a smaller file size. That is 480 by 640. Okay, so up to you to choose this. And picture format, JPG. Yeah, so there's a lot of function you can do. Okay, so basically I'm telling you how to reduce the file size for when you take camera photos. Okay, like this app. Right. Okay, now let's look at the, okay, for example, if I use normal camera, right, I can't actually adjust the file size. This is normal camera. I can't adjust. There's no way to adjust. Looking at the settings, nothing here to adjust. So with just on the app, bacon camera, you can adjust the picture size. Okay, bacon camera is good. Right. Okay, now I want to choose maybe yeah. Okay, video. I can actually choose video, and then yeah. Just want to show you the video. Sorry, I just activated. Yeah, the settings here. choose this, choose the video quality. You can choose 480 or 720p or the highest resolution, so you can also reduce the file size and also the bit rate. Okay, here the bit rate. Okay, all the sampling rate, audio rate, and all that. Many functions will choose, and yeah, then we can go back. Okay, and take the video. Okay, take the videos. So very good, right? Yeah, you can do all your settings, changing the various file size and all these things, and even has a panel grapher. Okay, panel grapher, and yeah. So go and test it out. It's very good. This is Bacon camera app. Okay, I hope you like this video, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, share with others. Thanks for watching Janice on channel. Bye.